Imagine spending weeks working on an experiment only to discover that one small mistake made all of your results unusable. Unfortunately, situations like this happen in research laboratories every single day. You have researchers constantly working on their protocol, working on their experiment, and a wrong contamination or pipetting will affect the entire results. My name is Maverick Ressa, and I'd like to introduce AI Lab Guardian, an intelligent laboratory assistant designed to help researchers detect mistakes before they can affect experimental results. Instead of wasting time and money, let's go ahead and do everything correctly the first time and make groundbreaking discoveries.
AI Lab Guardian. Let's prevent mistakes before they happen. Every day, researchers perform experiments that require precision and consistency. Unfortunately, even a small mistake can have significant consequences. Common laboratory errors include contamination, wrong pipetting, incorrect labeling, and skipped protocol steps. These mistakes often lead to wasted materials, delayed research, and repeated experiments. As someone who has worked in research laboratories, I have seen how frustrating these situations can be. A simple mistake can erase hours or even days of work. That's exactly the problem AI Lab Guardian is designed to solve. How do these mistakes continue to happen? Today's laboratories rely on written protocols, employee training, and human observation to maintain accuracy. While these methods are essential, they cannot monitor every step of an experiment in real time. Researchers often discover mistakes only after an experiment has already been completed. By then, valuable time, laboratory materials, and research funding may already have been lost. This creates an opportunity for a smarter solution. This is where AI Lab Guardian comes in. AI Lab Guardian is an intelligent laboratory assistant designed to reduce human errors before it affects experimental results. Using computer vision and machine learning, the system continuously monitors laboratory procedures and compares them with approved laboratory protocols. If a skip steps, incorrect equipment, or another potential mistake is detected, AI Lab Guardian immediately alerts the researcher so the issue can be corrected before the experiment continues. Rather than replacing scientists, AI Lab Guardian serves as a decision support tool that helps researchers work more accurately, efficiently, and most importantly, confident. Confidence in the laboratory is very essential. It can define whether your research is good or not. So how does AI Lab Guardian actually work? The process begins when the researcher starts an experiment as they normally should. Cameras monitor the laboratory workspace while artificial intelligence compares each action with the approved laboratory protocol. If a potential mistake is detected, the system immediately notifies the researcher before the experiment continues. Instead of discovering errors after an experiment is complete, researchers receive real-time feedback that helps prevent costly mistakes before they happen. Now that you've seen how AI Lab Guardian works, let's take a closer look at what a prototype of the system could look like. Now I'd like to show you a conceptual prototype of AI Lab Guardian. Since this product is still in the developmental stage, this prototype illustrates how researchers would interact with the system during an experiment. The interface displays a live camera feed of the laboratory workspace, while artificial intelligence continuously compares each step with approved laboratory protocols. If the system detects a step that has been skipped, incorrect equipment, or another potential error, it immediately alerts the researcher before the experiment continues. Rather than replacing researchers, AI Lab Guardian acts as an intelligent decision support tool that helps improve laboratory accuracy, efficiency, and confidence. Although this prototype is conceptual, it demonstrates how AI Lab Guardian could integrate into existing laboratory workflows with minimal distribution. Beyond improving laboratory accuracy, AI Lab Guardian also has significant commercial potential. AI Lab Guardian is designed for organizations where accuracy is essential. Potential customers include universities, biotechnology companies, pharmaceutical manufacturers, hospital laboratories, and research institutions. These organizations invest significant resources into scientific research, making the prevention of laboratory errors both financially and scientifically valuable. By reducing human errors, AI Lab Guardian can improve productivity, lower operating costs, and increase confidence in experimental results. To make the product accessible to organizations of different sizes, I developed a flexible pricing strategy. AI Lab Guardian would use a subscription-based pricing model. University and smaller research laboratories could purchase a basic plan that provides core monitoring features. Biotechnology and pharmaceutical companies could choose professional or enterprise plans with advanced protocol customization, extended technical support, and additional AI capabilities. This subscription model provides flexibility for customers while creating recurring revenue that supports future software development and continuous product improvement. With the pricing strategy established, the next step is bringing AI Lab Guardian to market. The development of AI Lab Guardian would occur in 3 phases. During the first phase, I would develop the initial software prototype while partnering with universities and research laboratories to collect feedback through real-world testing. In the second phase, the AI would be refined using additional laboratory data, expanded protocol libraries, and stronger cybersecurity protections. Finally, the commercial version would be launched to universities, biotechnology companies, pharmaceutical companies, and research laboratories while continuing to improve the software through customer feedback and future updates. This phased approach reduces development risk while ensuring the project continues to evolve alongside the needs of researchers. Like any innovative product, AI Lab Guardian also faces several important challenges. Like every innovative product, AI Lab Guardian faces several challenges. The first challenge is the cost of development and implementation. To reduce this risk, I plan to partner with universities and research institutions while applying for research grants. These partnerships would allow the product to be tested in real laboratory environments while establishing credibility before commercialization. The second challenge is gaining the trust of researchers. AI Lab Guardian is designed to support scientists, not replace them. By introducing it as a decision support tool and allowing researchers to verify every recommendation, laboratories can adopt the technology with confidence. Testimonials and successful research publications would also encourage broader adoption. The final challenge is protecting confidential laboratory data. Strong cybersecurity measures, including encrypted data storage, regular security inspections, and strict access controls, will help protect sensitive information while increasing customer trust. Although these challenges are significant, I believe they also create opportunities to build a stronger and more reliable product. With those challenges in mind, I'd like to conclude by sharing my final vision for AI Lab Guardian. Scientific research has the power to improve lives, develop new medicines, and solve some of the world's most important challenges. But even the most experienced researchers are human, and small mistakes can have major consequences. AI Lab Guardian was created to reduce those mistakes by providing researchers with intelligent, real time support throughout the experimental process. My vision is to help laboratories become more accurate, more efficient, and more productive while allowing researchers to focus on what they do best, making new discoveries. Thank you for taking the time to learn about AI Lab Guardian. I hope this presentation has shown the potential of combining artificial intelligence with scientific research to create a safer and more effective and efficient laboratory environment. Thank you.